Welcome back to Time Well Spoken. I'm your host, Linda, here with George, a writer who believes words are clocks that talk. George, thanks for making time.
I'm on time and in time for this one, which already tells you we're diving deep, right?
Perfect segue. Let's get straight to it. What's the simplest way to explain on time to someone trying to sound natural in American English?
On time means punctual. Something happens at the scheduled or expected time. A train that leaves at 8 o'clock and departs at 8 o'clock is on time.
So it's about schedules, deadlines, and precision.
Appointments, flights, meetings, classes. It's the promise that a clock and a plan agreed to behave.
And in time.
In time means early enough to do or prevent something. You arrive in time to catch the train, even if the train itself isn't on time.
So on time targets the schedule. In time targets the consequence.
That's a sharp way to put it. On time answers, did the schedule hold? In time answers, did I make it before the cutoff?
Give me side-by-side examples that show the difference clearly.
The meeting started on time versus I got there in time to hear the opening. The meeting kept the schedule. I managed to make the first minutes.
Another,
The assignment was on time versus I submitted it in time to avoid the late penalty. One is punctuality, the other is beating the consequence.
and then there's just in time. What's the extra flavor there?
Just in time means at the last possible moment, barely, with a breath of relief. I made it just in time often hints at a close call.
Do people ever say just on time?
Rarely, and it sounds odd, we say right on time for exact punctuality. Just in time is about narrowly making it before a deadline or disaster.
So, right on time is precise. Just in time is dramatic.
Right on time is a Swiss watch. Just in time is a race with the closing door.
Let's talk emotional tone. On time feels neutral. In time often carries a sense of relief or regret. True.
Yes, I didn't get there in time. Often hurts. It's an admission that something meaningful was missed, like a goodbye, a performance, a chance.
Have you ever felt that sting?
Once, my daughter's first recital, I was on time for work, but not in time for the first song. I heard the applause from the hallway. I smiled and clapped, but inside I carried the echo of what I didn't catch.
That's a punch to the heart. It shows why small words matter.
Language draws a map of how time treats us and how we treat time.
Can in time also mean eventually? Like you'll understand in time?
Yes, that's the other common sense with the passing of time. Eventually, it's gentle and future-facing.
So it can be deadline focused or patience focused.
Exactly. I finished in time versus you'll heal in time. One is a clock, the other is a season.
Let's get practical. Quick quiz. I'll give a sentence. You choose on time or in time and explain.
Okay, challenge accepted.
The 9 a.m. train arrived, despite the heavy snow.
On time, we're talking punctuality against expectation.
We reached the station to see the train pull in.
In time, we got there early enough for a goal, catching the sight or boarding.
That last one makes my shoulders tense. What causes that thrill?
Just in time pulls us into the body. Racing heart, door closing, breath released. It's drama compressed into a prepositional phrase.
There's also just in time in business, right?